Captain! It's safe to surf this beach! I mean, I'm not afraid to surf this place! I'll try to surf this fucking place! Get on you, soldier! Now for this Big Duke 6. God damn it! I'm on the tree line bomb!
Big Duke 6, roger, Dub 1-3, stand by.
Moving to the Stone Age, son!
Hawk 1-2, Dub 1-3, roger. They need some napalm down here in the tree line. Can you get twisted around time to put it down here?
Right, 1-3, we're fixing fuck with it. What's the target?
I'm gonna spread some mortar fire off the tree line down there.
Roger, here we come.
Good. Give it all you got and bring in all your ships. Wing abreast.
Don't worry, we'll have this place cleaned up and ready for us in a jiffy, son. Don't you worry!
Big Duke 6, this is Dub 1-3. The jet stream by now, there you got about 30 seconds to on station. Get your people back and head down. This is gonna be a big one.
Son! Nothing else in the world smells like that! I love the smell of napalm in the morning. You know, one time we had a hail bomb? For 12 hours, when it was all over, I walked up. We didn't find one of them, not one stinking big body. Smell! You know that gasoline smell? The whole hill. It smelled like victory. Someday this war's gonna end.